There are various types of stereo jacks, so-called, in guitars. This one is very common. They'll have three lugs, one ground, and two hots is actually what they are. And of course, in an acoustic guitar, you have this type of common three-lug config as well, also known as a stereo jack. And then you have this one, just another shape of the same thing. Today I want to be talking to you about this type that is found in some solid body guitars. This is a barrel jack, which comes in stereo form, and you'll notice that it has three lugs. It has a ground here, and then it has two small lugs in the center. The problem I've had with some of these is they actually switch the function. Like the shorter one will be the hot on one type plug, and then on another type of plug, the shorter one will be the sleeve. So it gets kind of confusing. So I always test them out before I solder them. And I'm going to show you how to do that today with a TRS cable. So here I have the ohm meter. I set it on 20K, which is what I normally have it set on. And I have one of these TRS cables, and notice that it has like a headphone jack, a stereo jack. That's because you have a tip, ring, and sleeve. That's why it's called a TRS. All right, so what you want to do with this is find out which one of these quarter-inch jacks that it's wired into is for the tip. And it's that one right there, the blue. So the blue one is for the tip, and the red one is for the sleeve, and of course the ground is shared common with both. All right, so now I take my jack here and I plug this in. Okay, now how am I going to determine which one of these is for the actual tip and which is for the ring? Very simple. All I got to do is, that's my tip indicator here, so I put it there, and then I go over to and I'm going to touch the small lug, and look at there, I've got a connection. So I know that the smaller lug of the two is for the tip or hot. And now this is the ring, and we'll just test this out, all things being equal. And now we test out the ring is the longer of the two short lugs here. And of course the ground is here. So anyway, that's look, I'm not an electronics whiz or anything. I just try to use common sense with this. But you know, I hope that helps somebody to locate the lugs and before they do a soldering job. Have a good day.